Just kidding, I made the coffee for me. So yesterday we didn't do too much. We basically just got into our hotel and chilled, hung out at the beach. And so today we're actually gonna go do some stuff. We're gonna go into downtown Nassau and hit up a bunch of the shops. So come with us. So we're taking the long route. We're gonna walk over to Nassau. It's about a 40-minute walk, and so we're at the top of the bridge right now, and we're heading over to the other side from Paradise Island to Nassau. And so probably have about 15 minutes more, and then we'll be there. And you can see all the cruise ships here and all the other ships. It's really neat. Stop at the top. So when I was reading online of how to get across to Nassau from Paradise Island, they were saying that this bridge was going to be like a tough hike up. It wasn't that bad. It really wasn't.
So we just arrived at the straw market. We're gonna see what we can find here and take. So hopefully we can find something cool. It'd be nice to take something. So I got a hat. It says Bahamas on it.
And we got bombarded by people at the straw market. They really want to sell their stuff.
Yeah, we had one say that it was that we were their first customers today, so they gave us some type of deal or something.
There was more than one person that said that.
Yeah, that is true. But now we're just walking around and seeing what we can find. And so that right there, the Cosmic Colada, we're gonna go ahead and try that and see what it tastes like. So we're gonna go up to the crosswalk right now, basically make a U-turn, go to the other sidewalk, and then we'll go in there and try that. Seems pretty interesting, so might as well just try it, you know? So we got it. I got cotton candy, and Melanie got grape, I think. But right after we get out of Dunkin' Donuts, it decides to rain a little bit. So now we're walking in super humid weather. It's not fun, but we'll have to do it. We're going to a park now.
Okay, so we just grabbed lunch at Euro King, I think it was called. I had a Euro, Paolo had shrimp and fries. And so we decided we're probably not gonna go to Fort Charlotte. Fort Fincaster / Queen Staircase was kind of lame. All there is to really do there is to just take pictures of the stairs. So we quickly did that this morning. We decided to come over to Junkanoo Beach, where we're currently just chilling. Paolo just took off his drone and is gonna get some clips here. And then I think we're gonna go to John Watling Distillery, which is where they make their rum here. There's not as much stuff as I thought there was to do here in Nassau, which isn't a bad thing. It's a nice place to just chill on the beach in gorgeous water. It's so blue here. So we have made it to John Watling Rum Distillery, which is right behind. I don't think you can see it. There's a church back there. I find it funny that there's rum right behind a church. Alright, well, we have obviously made it back to the hotel. We just had a really nice dinner at one of the restaurants at the hotel. It's like one of their fancy restaurants that you have to get to early to get your seat. And so we ate there. It was delicious. And we're gonna go down and get some coffee and edit the video. So this will conclude our video for today. So I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you tomorrow, which we're going to see pigs.